Mahina ka.
So let's award our rising stars. These are the top earners as well of Maximum 88 Corporation. Congratulations still in alphabetical order. Congratulations to Aloner Leomar. Hindi pa patalo, pasok sa Rising Star mga kaibigan. Palakpakan natin. Walang iba kundi si Banico Joanna. Congratulations, ma'am. Another Rising Star. Keep it up for Caballero Jonaline. Rising Star, congratulations. Dagos Angela.
Happy birthday!
Today also Angela is celebrating her birthday. Happy birthday. Palagpakan mo natin, let's give a big round of applause for Angela. Happy birthday sa'yo. Next Rising Star. Congratulations. De La Rosa Sharif. Rising Star. Deluvio Lady Ivy. Another Rising Star, congratulations. Dianon Roela from Cebu, Philippines. Rising Star. Dimayuga Rochelle. Rising Star. Dinapo Mildred. Congratulations to Garcia Ricardo.
Good!
Congratulations, Rising Star, Gatchalian Mila. Mila is also one of our official top earners. And congratulations, Gonzalez Asuncion. Rising Star, Gores Asia Baneri from Cebu, Philippines. Congratulations, Rising Star, Guevara Jennifer. Rising Star, Hinanahan Syra May from Cebu, Philippines Tycoons. Laguna Christy. Rising Star, congratulations, Lalikan Diana Rose from Cebu, Philippines Tycoons. Manawis Dennis. Congratulations, Rising Star, Marce Genesis. Milyong-milyong palakpakan. Congratulations, Messias Fritzy Grace from Cebu, Philippines Tycoons. Congratulations, Pablo Sharmi. Rising Star, Rosendo Kimberly. Palakpakan natin Tan Alex from the UAE. Another Rising Star, Jamel Tan from Manila, Philippines, Max Dragons. Congratulations, Tadeo Mark Linden from Cebu, Philippines. Rising Star, Ores Jennifer.
Good!
Rising Star, Tuyor Juliza. Rising Star, Verana Cyril. Villarojo Violera from the UAE. Rising Star, Wenceslao Chescalin from Cebu, Philippines. There you have it, palakpakan po natin our Rising Star for this year. Congratulations, and let's take a photo with our Chairman, CEO, President Doc Acubuena. And boss, please remain on stage.
Congratulations.
As we will go on.
Congratulations!
Thank you.
Yee! Rising Star!
Smile.
Genesis!
Nagulat ka.
Congrats! Congrats!
Alright, let's recognize these top performers na nag-acquire po ng millions sa kanila pong mga accounts. So, totoo po na pwedeng kumita ng millions sa negosyong maximum 88. Hindi imposible.
Awarding na.
Awarding po natin. Walang iba our new member of Millionaires Club. Congratulations to our new club member, Rain Jing Balaison from Cebu, Icons International. Congratulations to John Wilco Daniel from Archers International, UAE.
Grabe!
Last but definitely not the least, to complete our new batch of Millionaires Club, congratulations, let's make some noise for Edwin Dalos from Archers International, UAE. Once again, bigyan yung palakpakan para sa ating mga coaches and mentors. Garnered ang inyong mga million sa kanilang pong mga accounts. Congratulations! Maraming salamat po. There you go. You may take your seats. Thank you, boss. Palakpakan po natin once again our CEO, Chairman President, Doc Pato Cueva. And mga kaibigan, isang malaking palakpakan, malakas sa palakpakan, hindi palakpakan, no? Alam mo, nakakalisto, ha? Kaya gawin natin yan. Pag sinabi sa mga isang palakpakan, isang padyang, isang oh. Are you ready? Yeah! Dubai, are you ready?
Yes!
Are you guys ready?
Yes!
Ang isang milyon! Mahina, isang milyon! Mahina, isang milyon! Isang milyon! Palakpakan! Para sa ating lahat, milyon palakpak! Alright, congratulations po. Maraming salamat po. Right about now,